Now, our motto, what will be the equivalent resistance between P and Q? That is P and Q. Here P and Q. In the circuit A and B, when this circuit A and that is circuit B, both key K1 and K2 are open. In both, first we have checked this one and this one are open, and this one and this one are open. Then determine equivalent resistance between P and Q, P and Q. So first of all, we have focus on first one. Okay. After that, we have focus on second one. Okay. Clear or not? So first of all, make the circuit corresponding to if K1, K2 are open in A, and after that B. In A, after that B. Okay. Focus first. K1, K2 are open. Okay. If K1, K2 are open, then make the circuit that is 20 ohm. This is also 20 ohm. This is also 20 ohm. And this is also 20 ohm. This is also 20 ohm. And this is also 20 ohm. Very simple. This is P and that is Q. That is 20 ohm, 20 ohm, 20 ohm, 20 ohm, 20 ohm, 20 ohm. So what about equivalent? These three, this one are series. I know that if these three resistance are series, then combination of R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 20 plus 20 plus 20, we got 60 ohm. So that is 60 ohm. Clear? Same thing. This one, this one, this one. You can 60 ohm because these three are same resistance and connected to series. Here P, here Q. Clear or not? So equivalent. So final this circuit, that is if two resistance, same resistance are parallel, then what about equivalent? That is R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 using this formula. 60 into 60 divided by 120. Okay, that is 30 ohm. Clear or not? That is 30 ohm. So that is P and here Q. Clear or not? If you make here. So finally, if K1, K2, K1, K2 are open, then circuit like this one in corresponding to A diagram, and we got this final answer. Okay. Now we have focused on another way. Circuit second. If we have focused on B, okay, clear or not? Corresponding to B, that is 20 ohm. Okay, that is 20 ohm, 20 ohm, 20 ohm, and this is also 20 ohm, and this one is also 20, also 20, and this is also 20, and that is P and that is Q. Clear or not? Here 20 ohm, 20 ohm, and 20 ohm. Okay, 20, 20, 20, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 20, 100, 100 plus 20. These six resistance are series. So P and Q. Finally, sum of all resistance. Okay, that is 20, 20, 20. 6 times 20. 120 ohm. So that is 120 ohm. So PQ, R of PQ, it is written as 120 ohm. Clear or not? Clear or not? Now, corresponding to second part. So first part is completed. So corresponding to this one, answer is A part. If A part is how much? If K1, K2 open. If K1, K2 open, then what about resistance? That is 20 ohm, sorry, 30 ohm, and corresponding to that one is 120 ohm. Clear or not? Now we have open if K1, K1 and K2 are close. So we have focus on if K1, K2 are close. K1, K2 are close. Clear or not? So what about answer? Clear? Now make the circuit. If K1, K2 close, so first of all draw here. In so this one, we have focus on first of all A K1, K2 are are close are close. So first of all make the diagram. 20 ohm, 20 ohm, 20 ohm. This is 20 ohm, 20 ohm. That is 20 ohm, and like that one. Okay. If circuit is closed, K1 is closed means circuit like that one. In the circuit like that one. Here 20 ohm, 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 and that is P and here Q. Clear or not? If you see the circuit, clear? Now, clear or not? So, now next target is what about equivalent resistance between P and Q? Okay, if you see very carefully, if you, if you from beginner, then we go here 20, also here 20 ohm. Suppose that circuit is closed. If this circuit is closed, current passing through here, always current follow this path, not going to here. Why? Because that point voltage, if that point voltage is 1, that is also 1. Okay, that point voltage is 1 and that is also 1. Why? Because of short circuit. That is short circuit path. Current always try to short circuit path. Voltage difference between these two, that is 0. So whatever be the equivalent resistance, but what about current? 1 divided by whatever equivalent resistance corresponding to that one, that is 0 divided by resistance, that is 0 current. It means this whole resistance behave as a dummy resistance. Why? Because of no current flow. Okay, so only this and this one, these two are involved for equivalent equivalent resistance. Okay, working resistance, or you can say that involve 20 ohm, and this 20 ohm and this 20 ohm are involved for working. Okay, so that's why equivalent resistance is R of PQ is written as simply 40 ohm. Clear? So both are series. So you can say that R of PQ, that is 40 ohm. Clear or not? Now we are focused on second one. That is actually B. We have I have solving B part. That is B part, not A part. Okay, so R of PQ, R of PQ basically that is 40 ohm. Clear or not? Now we are focused on first one. This one is a B part, so make here B. Now we are focused on part A. Okay, clear or not? That is B part. Okay, now if K1, K2 are close corresponding to A part, okay, so how can do? First of all, make the circuit. This one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one. Our motto: determine equivalent resistance between P and Q. Okay, clear or not? That is 20 ohm, here 20 ohm, 20 ohm, here 20 ohm, here 20 ohm, and here 20 ohm, and this is short circuit and this is short circuit. Okay, clear or not? So how can do? This is P and here Q. That point and that point, if this is 1 and this is also 1, that is 2 and that is also 2, because voltage drop between these two, no voltage drop. It means both are same potential. Same thing here also, both are same potential. So you can make here this one 20 ohm and here 20 ohm. Similarly here 20 ohm and this one is also 20 ohm. Now this one is 20 ohm. Now this one is also 20 ohm. That is P and that is Q. Clear or not? Now after that you can say that these two these two are parallel and both are same resistance. Same thing, these two are parallel and these two are parallel. So parallel combination 20 by 2 is 10 ohm. Here also 10 ohm and here also 10 ohm. So here P and here Q. So R of PQ, you can say the 30 ohm because these three are resistance in series. Okay, clear or not? So what about answer? PQ is 30 ohm. So that is 30 ohm. Clear or not? That is 30 ohm. Okay, 20 20 10 10 10. So finally 30 ohm is the final answer. Okay, means if corresponding to A part, corresponding to A part, if both K1 K2 are open, then we got 30 ohm, and if K1 K2 are closed, then also we got 30 ohm. In second part, if both are open K1 K2, then we got 120 ohm, and if both are closed, then we got 40 ohm is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, thank you.